Welcome to the magic of home and hearth, where we transform ordinary into extraordinary. Today we're cracking the code on maintaining the timeless allure of your wooden deck. Keeping it youthful is no Herculean task, but a journey we're about to embark on together. The foundation of this journey is regular cleaning and maintenance. But there's a twist. It's not merely about sweeping and washing. We'll delve into the secret techniques that make all the difference. Our first step is a deep cleanse. A quality deck cleaner and a stiff brush are your allies. This isn't just about dirt removal, but preparing the wood for the subsequent vital steps. Then comes protection, often overlooked, yet pivotal. A top-grade sealant shields your deck against moisture, UV rays, and daily wear and tear. An insider tip: blend a pinch of stain with your sealant for that extra dash of youth and vibrancy. The secret ingredient, though, is regular upkeep. Minor touch-ups and timely repairs can fend off major challenges in the future. And there you have it. A straightforward yet potent method to keep your wood deck forever young. Your deck is more than timber. It's the heart of your outdoor living space. Nurture it, and it will radiate pride and joy for years to come. If these tips resonated with you, show us some love and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement magic. And remember, if you're selling a house and need expert guidance, reach out to the Gurpreet Ghatehora real estate team at Remax River City 780-951-6530 or visit searchrealestateforsale.ca. Stay tuned for more property selling tips.